everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chocolate pie. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need one pie crust. You can either make your own, or I just got a 9-inch pie crust and I'm just going to bake that according to the package. Then you need 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of salt, 4 egg yolks, 3 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. You could use milk chocolate, semi-sweet, or the dark. And then for the whipped cream, you're going to need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, my pie is in the oven, and when it gets out, I'm going to go ahead and cool it on a wire rack, but for now, let's get started on the rest of it. So in a medium saucepan, I'm going to whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. And then in a small bowl, which I just did a measuring cup actually, I just whisked my yolks together with a fork until they were nice and smooth. Now I'm going to put my egg yolks in with my milk and whisk those. And you want to put those into something that has a spout for easy pouring. So I'm just going to use this big measuring cup right here. Alright, that looks good. So now I am going to gradually add just a little bit of this mixture into this mixture. And then I'm going to turn it to medium heat and then slowly add the rest in like 3 increments. Okay, all of my milk and egg mixture is now added to my dry ingredients, and I am just going to cook this over medium heat and just keep whisking it until it is well combined. And then we are going to bring that all the way up into a boil. And we are going to whisk this constantly, and it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. And my pie crust is ready. It's nice and brown and smells delicious, so I just put it out on a wire rack to cool. And my mixture here that I'm continuously whisking is starting to get hot, and it is like frothy, but that is not boiling yet. And when it does come to a boil, we are going to let it boil for 1 minute before adding our butter and our vanilla. Okay, my mixture is now boiling. It was really weird because I felt it boiling. It just got thicker. So now we're just going to let it boil for 1 minute and then add our butter and vanilla. Okay, I removed mine from the heat and I added in my vanilla and my butter. I'm just going to mix that until it's smooth and then add in my chocolate chips until it is smooth. Alright, that looks and smells so yummy. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into our pie crust. And then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. It's all ready to go into the refrigerator, and I still have quite a bit. So either get deep dish pie crust, or you could probably even make 2 if you don't feel it as much as I did. My pie is almost ready to come out of the refrigerator, so I'm going to get started on our whipped cream. So first we just want to take our heavy whipping cream, put that into a large mixing bowl, and beat it on high until soft peaks form. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started. Okay, that looks great. So now we are going to add in our powdered sugar just a little bit at a time and beat it until stiff peaks form. Okay, that looks great. So now let's add in our vanilla and just stir it to combine. Alright, I just cut into our pie and it looks so yummy. Let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hi, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Yummy.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Happy birthday, Pap.
Happy birthday, Pap.
Bye.
Bye.